In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Claude in PC and laptop. By the end, you will have Claude set up on either Windows or Mac, ready for you to chat and explore its tools. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar or search box, type claude.ai/download. This takes you to the official download page where you can get the installer designed for your operating system. Make sure the page address is correct so you know you are downloading from the legitimate source. On that page, choose the Windows option if you are on a PC, or the Mac option if you are using a Mac. When your download begins, keep an eye on where the file is saved. Usually your downloads folder so you can find it quickly. Once the download finishes, run the installer. On Windows, that means double-clicking the claude.exe file. If you see a security prompt asking whether you want to allow the app to make changes, choose the option to continue. Then follow the on-screen instructions until the installation completes. On a Mac, double-click the .dmg file you downloaded. Your Mac will open an installer window. Follow the prompts to finish placing the app on your system. If your computer asks for permission during installation, approve it so the setup can proceed smoothly. After installation wraps up, launch the Claude application. On first open, you will be asked to sign in. Choose to sign in with your email or with your Google account, then follow the on-screen steps to complete that sign-in. When you are done, click Get Started. This brings you into the main Claude interface so you can begin using it right away. Inside the app, you will see a dedicated chat interface designed to keep your conversations clear and organized. You can start typing to ask questions, brainstorm ideas, or work through problems. If you are a subscriber, you will also see tools like Projects and Claude Code. Projects help you keep related conversations, files, and prompts grouped together, which is great for ongoing work or larger tasks. Claude Code is geared toward coding workflows, offering a space to write, refine, and iterate on code with helpful guidance. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.